यस। ओके, लेट मी टेल यू, जो लोग फील करते हैं ना कि यार आई एम फीलिंग वेरी ड्रेन्ड, मेरे से तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा, आई एम सो मच कंफ्यूज, आई एम सो मच पजल्ड विद सो मेनी थिंग्स, लेट मी टेल यू, इमोशनल, स्पिरिचुअल एंड पर्सनल ग्रोथ ना ऐसे ही होती है, राइट? प्रीवियसली यू वर लिविंग लाइक अ डिफॉल्ट वे विच वॉज कंडीशनड, विच वॉज ट्रेन्ड, कि ऐसे ही जिंदगी चलती है। हियर इन दीज कम्युनिटीज, इन दीज प्रोग्राम्स, यू आर लर्निंग अ न्यू वे ऑफ लिविंग, right? Here you must understand that this is the effortless way. इस effortlessness तक आने के लिए we will have to again restart our journey like a child. तो जिन लोगों को लगता है ना मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही है, मैं बहुत लेजी फील कर रहा हूँ, just hold on. Okay, for years and years, please trust me, for years and years, there can be people who feel so lazy, who still feel resistance कि मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, who still feel कि सब सब उठ पा रहे हैं 5 a.m. मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, and that's absolutely okay. Please do not at all compare with anybody else. It is absolutely the journey between you and your universe, the God. अगर आपसे नहीं उठा जा रहा, अगर आपसे हीलिंग्स नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा, it's all by divine grace. Accept it, okay? Till then, solution क्या है? Heal your resistance. And I've given you a beautiful script जो मैं बार बार रीपोस्ट करती रहती हूँ कि अगर कुछ नहीं हो रहा ना, तो रादर देन सेइंग कि मेरे रिजल्ट्स नहीं आ रहे, मेरे पास पैसा नहीं आ रहा, या मेरे रिलेशन हील नहीं हो रहे, या मुझे बहुत वो ड्रेनिंग लग रहा है, या मैं तो उठ ही नहीं पाती, मैं तो उठते ही लाइक वही अपने काम शुरू हो जाती हूँ। वाई? बिकॉज आपने रेजिस्टेंस पे काम नहीं किया है, ठीक है? सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज हील योर रेजिस्टेंस, प्लीज राइट डाउन, ओके? सो टू मैनिफेस्ट न्यू लाइफ, कुछ भी गोल हो आपका, be it you want to heal your relationships, maybe you want to manifest wonderful health, maybe you want to become a business person through the healings, it's okay, everything is okay. जो भी गोल है ना, अगर वो नहीं हो रहा, the only solution is heal your resistance, okay? Heal your resistance is the only solution. If something on the outside is not as per your expectation, the only block is not you, not you, never. It is resistance. Why? Because our mind and body, ये ancestors को ही आज तक फॉलो कर रहा है। Where our ancestors, एक ही जॉब होता था, खा लेना सो लेना। Our mind and body are not trained for focused work, money creation. Are you understanding? So सबसे पहले हमेशा बोलो इट्स नॉट माई फॉल्ट। अगर मुझसे नहीं भी हो रहा, आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट। जब आपने आज वही है, आपका टॉपिक ही वही है पूरे के पूरे सेशन का, आज तक आपने सीखा सेल्फ टॉक, ओके? अभी तक सब बोलते थे मिनी वी हैव लर्नड सेल्फ टॉक फ्रॉम यू। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू लेट यू नो हाउ टू टॉक टू यूनिवर्स व्हेन नथिंग इज वर्किंग फॉर यू। बिकॉज इफ स्टिल यू फील लाइक ना मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, you are vibrating at beggar frequency. Write it down. Anytime you talk negative about you, na, कि my siblings are suffering, my parents are suffering, my business is not growing, no client is coming. All these are beggar frequency thoughts. Okay. Again, it's not your fault. The only solution is number one, heal your resistance, and number two, change your communication with the creator. दिस इज द बेस्ट यू कैन डू। इसके परे आपके पास एक ही रास्ता है, बी हैप्पी, जो मैं हमेशा बहुत ज्यादा फोर्स करती हूँ। बी हैप्पी, बी लाइक अ चाइल्ड, डू समथिंग विच गिव्स यू जॉय, नॉट व्हाट गिव्स यू मनी। बट द सीक्रेट इज वी कीप वर्किंग फॉर मनी, कि पैसा आ जाए। वी कीप वर्किंग हार्ड कि और काम कर लें और काम कर लें और कर लें, जब मेरा बिजनेस सेट हो जाएगा, क्लाइंट्स आ जाएंगे, देन आई एम हैप्पी। फॉर गॉड सेक, स्टॉप स्टॉप चेजिंग दिस। मनी तब आती है, बिजनेस तब ग्रो करता है, क्लाइंट्स तब आते हैं इफ यू आर हैप्पी अनकंडीशनली। अगेन एंड अगेन आई टेल यू, एंड दिस हैप्पीनेस कैन बी अचीव्ड ओनली बाय टू थिंग्स। वन, सेल्फ टॉक, जो ऑलरेडी हम बहुत करते हैं। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू टू द सेकेंड लेवल, चेंज योर टॉक विद द यूनिवर्स। आपको वो नहीं आती है, ओके? सारा दिन वी कीप बेगिंग एंड प्रेइंग फ्रॉम गॉड, जबकि गॉड नेवर वांट्स अस टू बेग एंड प्रे, kneel down and cry in front of God. No, God never wants it. God never wants to punish you even for your sins also, guilts also, shames also. God wants you to take responsibility, ask lofty questions. Okay. So this I learned 3 years back from Vishen Lakhiani. I just happened to tap into one of his video where he was sharing the secret for wealth mastery. He took 2 hour session just on this topic, asking the lofty questions. Okay. What does this mean? That you create your outcomes not by sitting and crying and praying ki God, I'm doing so much, please मेरे पर तरस खाओ, results दो. No, this is beggar frequency. Lack only attracts lack. ठीक है. रोना धोना कंप्लेंट करना only attracts lack. कुछ नहीं होगा, पड़े रहोगे. So the art of asking the lofty questions. Okay, this shifts your frequency from the frequency of lack to the frequency of creator. Okay, so always say, I take 100% responsibility to heal my resistance, which is making me feel कि health is not good, relationships are not good, I have to do so much, certifications करने हैं और 4 चीजें सीखनी है तो जाके पैसा आएगा. No, money is never coming from the tools. Money comes from vibration. Money comes from your communication with the universe. Okay. So, as I told you, our mind and body are not trained for focused work. It is only trained for hard work. Right. But now, when you are into wealth creation, when you want to turn your healing into money, what happens? Your the entire system wants focus. Focus चाहिए ना. Channel your energy on your goal, right? Goal is I want to make my 2 lakh this month. Everybody here is vibrating at this frequency. अगर आपने कुछ भी आज तक नहीं बनाया, my goal is write down. I want to make minimum 2 lakh from my healing and coaching expertise. Doesn't matter you have built up a business or not right now. Okay. Or whatsoever is your goal. You are in a job, you want to double up your income. This is your goal. 2x your income is your goal. Okay. Or a particular weight is your goal, or a particular relationship healing is your code. ठीक है. Whatever be your goal, manifestation कहाँ से होनी है? What is the frequency? And the frequency is directly proportional to how are you feeling? What are you thinking deep within? Okay. So I want you to take 2 minutes to write down by default what is your communication by default when certain things are not working in your life. Take any one area, for example, money लेते हैं. Okay, clients not coming, या my business not growing. I want to manifest 2 lakh every month, but हो नहीं रहा है. 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, जो भी आपका गोल है. So when this is not happening, what is your communication with the God? क्या बोलते हो आप उस वक्त? Write it down. And you can also tell me. Type in the chat box. I'll give you some examples. I've noted few points. So type down one challenging area of your life. Okay, for example, money and client attraction area लेते हैं, right? So the question is, so you always say, please universe send me clients. ऐसा ही बोलते हैं हम? Yes? Or please universe help me make 2 lakh, 3 lakh, whatever is your goal. This is your communication, right? So write down whenever you are in lack, what kind of communications and conversations do you use? मुझसे नहीं हो पा रहा, आप देख लो. Yes, Manisha. The worst communication. मुझसे नहीं हो पा रहा, आप देख लो. There is a question that has to be followed. It is not कि नहीं. Of course, as a child, we have to say, God, अब मुझसे नहीं हो पा रहा, आप देख लो. What after that? The question. Okay? Because again, God says you are the co-creator and God helps those who helps themselves. So here, learn to ask the right questions so that you can match the frequency of attracting the solution. Otherwise, with this communication कि मुझसे नहीं हो पा रहा, you will keep on attracting more situations जो again वही बोलेगा मुझसे नहीं हो पा रहा. Are you understanding everybody? Out there is no God. There is no external figure. बाहर दूर कहीं कुछ नहीं है. All the gods are frequencies already around you, given to you. Okay, by asking, by speaking the right words, you can tap into their frequency, and from there you can change your outcome. Okay, so and baat kya hai? To change the outcome of your life, the only way is raise your frequency by asking the right questions. So the secret is asking the right questions. The solution to every problem is asking the right questions. So now you are learning old way versus the creator way. Write it down. So जब भी आपका mind negative questions put करने लगे, why is it not happening to me? Why is she creating so much of success? Why I am not able to do it when I am also doing the same things? Yes, why I am not able to earn what I want to? Why I have to work so hard? Are you understanding? ये by default चलते हैं ना? Yes. Why is my relationship not able to heal despite of doing so much healing work? So what are you doing? You are manifesting 24/7. Now, when are you vibrating at why am I not able to make money? Why am I not able to heal my relationship? So what are you creating? What you are saying. Are you understanding? हमारे क्वेश्चन में ही आंसर छिपा होता है. We are attracting more of it. जो हम क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे होते हैं ना यूनिवर्स से, we are attracting more of it. So when I say ना, God, why are clients not coming? Universe will give you 10 more moments where clients are not coming to you because you are operating at the frequency clients are not coming to me. Okay, this is called as lack frequency. And 97% of the people keep vibrating at lack frequency. The only thing that can help you come out of the lack frequency is learn the art of asking questions. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you by making you write certain questions, right, where these questions will help you next time to change your frequency. Okay, खाली रो लेने से frequency change नहीं होती. रोने से क्या होता है? Empty हो गया. What I'm feeling now empty. Now you have to ask God the different questions. Okay, for example, you healed a certain relationship, you are cutting the cords with your husband. After 2-3 days, जम के लड़ाई हुई, right? Now the first response is because वही survival mode रोना है. Why are they doing this to me? हो गया ना, natural, being human हो गया. Now become your creator self. Now your next job is take a pen and a paper, write down these questions, okay? The different way of talking to the universe so that now you can create the solution. Because problem create करने वाले भी आप हो, because आज तक आपको किसी ने right conversation नहीं सिखाई थी. Solution create करने वाले भी आप हो. Here people lose the game. People do not take effort to sit for 10 minutes and write the right things. So writing is the secret, which maximum of the people fail. हम उदास होके बैठे रहते हैं लेकिन पेन एंड पेपर नहीं पकड़ते लिखने के लिए. Got it? So first thing I want you all to write down, when was the last time you asked for something but did not feel heard? Okay, anyone situation of your life. You asked something, but you felt, Bhagwan meri to sunta hi nahi hai. I'm the unlucky. Okay, because when you are feeling like I'm not getting heard. Okay, you are doing so hard to solve some situation of your life, but result nahi aa raha hai na, and you are feeling unheard, right? Unseen. So just quickly write. Today you will learn how to change your communication. I want you to literally feel your emotions. कैसा लगा था? Shakuntala, you have to remember, na? Ask yourself a question. मुंह से बोलो. When was the last time मैंने कुछ मांगा था और नहीं हुआ था, नहीं मिला था? And I didn't feel heard. Everybody got the answer? Because this is the only way you work on your mental muscles. Yes, Richa, quickly.
Yeah, thank you so much, Minnie. So quick thing, मांगा था किससे? इंसानों से या परमात्मा से? In any
Any desire,
conversation?
yeah, any goal. No, 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 no.
हाँ हाँ,
Anything you are desiring to make it happen, but it is not happening, and you feel like भगवान मेरी तो सुनता ही नहीं है,
goal के
right?
साथ. I got it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Any
Thank you so
desire,
much.
any goal.
Thanks.
For
Thanks,
example,
Minnie.
if I want to ask me कि for the long time I was waiting to lose my weight, okay, but I was not able to lose my weight, right? So I'm feeling so unheard. कि why God, I'm doing dieting also, I'm doing exercising also. Why was I not losing my weight? It's so hard to lose weight. Why God doesn't, जहाँ बाकी सब लोग न्यूट्रिशन करके जिम करके वेट लॉस कर रहे हैं, why am I not able to? Okay, तो यहाँ पर I am asking the wrong question when I'm saying God, why is exercising not working for me? Why is nutrition not working for me? मैंने क्या बुरा किया है? What is blocking me? These are the wrong
Hmm.
questions. Because
Hmm.
when I am vibrating on these questions, I'm attracting more of it. The first solution is heal your resistance. मैंने आपको दी हुई है स्क्रिप्ट, ओके, आई अगेन टुडे पोस्ट इट इन द ग्रुप, ओके, जस्ट उसको एक बार पढ़ना एंड योर एंटायर फ्रीक्वेंसी विल चेंज. योर जॉब इज ओनली टू एड्रेस योर कम्युनिकेशन, दैट्स इट. रेस्ट अपने आप फ्रीक्वेंसी अट्रैक्ट करती है. सो व्हेन यू डू इट, यू आर नाउ एबल टू ब्रिंग योर फोकस टू द राइट थिंग ना, जो होनी है. राइट क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर मिलेगा ना. So the question is why I am not able to lose my weight. This is the wrong question. So now tell me your wrong questions. Everybody type in the chat box. Sneha, why am I not able to ask my husband? Wrong question, right? Everybody type one wrong question. आपको अब भी क्या अभी अपने solutions मिलेंगे. Why are my goals not getting manifested? I want one question from each one of you.
Why relations are not so good for me? इतना
Yes.
भी
Why
भगवान
are
से
my
पूछे तो
relationships not working? Yes.
yeah.
Why am I an unlucky person in relationships? Why it's so hard to get
Yeah.
love? So now when you are asking these questions, you are the co-creator. Please understand. I am telling you, ये सेशन ना मेरे बहुत गहराई से निकला है. It's very close to me because this is the session which changed my life 360-degree entirely. The communication with the universe. Why am I not why am I unable to earn well? Yes. Why any of my goals were not getting fulfilled? Yes. अब आप सोचो कि आप कितनी देर इस क्वेश्चन को अपने माइंड में रिपीट करते हो. वही मिल रहा है ना. गॉड इज नॉट सेपरेट देन यू. सारा दिन तो जपते रहते हैं आई एम द गॉड, आई एम द को क्रिएटर. तो आप क्या क्रिएट कर रहे हो? यू आर मैनिफेस्टिंग गाइस. आई एम नॉट एबल टू अट्रैक्ट क्लाइंट्स. हियर इज द सोल्यूशन. एनी कंफ्यूजन एनीबॉडी? किसी को कोई डाउट है, कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में नहीं आ रहा हो? यस. व्हाई एम आई नॉट एबल टू आस्क द राइट प्राइस? शकुंतला, अब समझ में आया? सो यू आर फीलिंग अनहर्ड ना. भगवान मेरी क्यों नहीं सुन रहे? मैं क्यों नहीं 1 लाख पे गॉड गेटिंग बेच पा रही? मैं क्यों नहीं अपनी लाइफ कोचिंग 2 लाख पे बेच पा रही? दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस. When will I be a good healer and able to attract my dream clients? Yes, these are the wrong questions. So you are communicating with God in the beggar frequency. You all are beggars, including me, whenever we ask wrong questions. And by default, आता है ये question. Okay. Now the next step. Why can't I attract right partner? Yes. Okay. So this is, अब जैसे ही ये question आए ना, कोई बात, it's not your fault. It's being a human. But now remember, I am Maya. राइट. कितने लोगों ने उस दिन माया अटेंड किया था? आई एम माया. यस, आई कैन राइट नाउ आई कैन अचीव व्हाट आई डिजायर बिकॉज आई एम माया. ओके. सो द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज, उसी वक्त बोलो कैंसल कैंसल कैंसल. वेरी पावरफुल स्विच वर्ड. ये क्वेश्चन कैंसल करती हूँ अभी मैं, मेरा नहीं है, मुझे सिखाया गया था. आई एम सो सॉरी. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, God, for asking the wrong question. I'm sorry for forgetting who am I. I'm Maya. Yes. What is it that I need to do to attract? Yes. So Swati, your question is What is it that I need to do to attract blissful relationships? But this is the right question, Swati. This is the right question. Why am I not able to leave this worst situations and leave? Yes, this is the wrong question. ठीक है ना? जब wrong question पूछेंगे तो wrong answer मिलेगा. Yes. When you start asking the right questions and उसके बाद जो आपको process बता रही हूँ वो करना शुरू करोगे, you will see a massive manifestation in your life. ठीक है? So how many of you are ready to shift from old way of manifesting to Maya way of manifesting? Or you can say aligned way of manifesting. Yes? Power way of manifesting. ठीक है? Ready to do the power play? Wonderful. Okay. So now, whenever you ask these wrong questions, you will be vibrating from need, from scarcity, write it down, from need, from scarcity, from lack. Okay, and universe only multiplies what you already vibrating at. Okay, lack attracts more lack, scarcity attracts more scarcity, and uncertainty attracts more uncertainty. So now you are going to learn the co-creator frequency, Maya wave, right? So for those, now I am going to give you list of some questions, okay? Get ready to note down these questions. आपके life का जो भी area होगा, start communicating this way to the universe and you will see massive change. अब ये questions कब use करने हैं? The last end of the day when you are going to sleep. The areas you are struggling with, please end your day with these questions half an hour before. If you really want to change your life, transform your life, create fortune, destiny, please, half an hour after the day, at the end of the day, give yourself. Those here who are vibrating at mommy frequency, wife frequency, daughter-in-law frequency, sister frequency, tell yourself, half an hour I am co-creator. Can you all end your day with the co-creator frequency? Yes, we have to journal it. अदरवाइज मैं आपको पीडीएफ में दे सकती थी. It won't work. Clear? So write down the list of lofty questions that can change your graph of manifestation. ठीक है? So those who say ना, why am I not able to attract clients? दिन में any time when this thought comes, say cancel, cancel, cancel. Now the right question is, how come I attracting clients who are already looking for my energy? आप ये क्वेश्चन बोल के ही देखो आपको अपनी फ्रीक्वेंसी में कितना चेंज नजर आता है. टेल मी, इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग मिनी व्हाई एम आई नॉट एबल टू अट्रैक्ट क्लाइंट्स, व्हाट विल यू से? Mini, why am I able to attract the right clients who are already looking out for me? Write down this question, okay? You have to write it down. The question is, how come I? How come I is a very powerful switch. How come my relationships are working magically? Yes, Sujanya? How come everybody is loving me? How is this magic happening? Why is everybody started attracting towards me? How come I become a magician in the relationships? So for the clients, ask yourself 20 times, 40 times, 100 times in a day. How am I magically attracting the right clients who are vibrating at my energy, already looking out for me? Okay. If your thought is, why is my content not attracting the client? See, बार बार ये prove हो चुका है. It's proven कि number of likes, comments and engagement is not at all related to your business, money you are making. Okay. So by default, because the people are people pleasers, validation seekers, वो part हमेशा हम में रहता है. Whenever we post our photo, whenever we post our success, whenever we post something, it is our tendency to look for number of likes, comments, shares, and engagements. And a part of you always keep thinking, why is my post not being liked? Why is my post not being shared? Why is my awareness not attracting people, right? So इससे बाहर निकलना है. What question will you write? You have to journal every single day जो questions लिखवाने लगी हूँ. Your job is only that at the end of the day ना बस ये questions लिख लेना and feel these questions. Okay. So the question is how can I attract clients? Sorry. What would it take for my content? What would it take for my content to magnetize aligned buyers today? क्योंकि हमें likes, engagements और comments से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. People see you and directly DM you. I want to talk to you. That is the agenda. So आप अपने दिमाग में क्या बोलोगे? Yes. If you open your Instagram or your Facebook or your WhatsApp and there is no like, there is no share, immediately say cancel, 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 cut, cut, cut. Why? Because at the same time, mind will say nobody is liking me. Right? There are people who are getting millions of followers, blah, blah, blah. Why am I not attracting? Okay. But if we keep on vibrating at this question, we will again stay stuck in the beggar frequency. So the co-creator frequency is how come my content is magnetizing paid clients to me who are investing high ticketing in me. You can write specific amount also. How come I attracting or sorry, what would it take for my content to magnetize aligned buyers today who are paying me in lakhs? So now the universe will give you the ideas, right? The energy you put in, maybe cord cutting, you will do some ritual, okay, do some symbol, right? On the post so that like आए ना आए, share हो ना हो, नीचे comment हो ना हो, client will pay you, right? Right? So if you are not attracting money, maybe you are jobless, or maybe you have switched to the new business startup career, healing career, and right now you are not seeing tangible money. नोट नहीं आ रहे हैं, माया नहीं आ रही है पॉकेट में, right? And by default, your mind will keep on chattering. Why am I not attracting money? Because your happiness is tied to money. It's okay, it's natural being human. जब पैसा आ रहा होता है तो हम खुश फील करते हैं. But now your job is cancel, cancel, cancel. I know I'm not feeling happy because money is not coming, but open your copy, open your journal, start writing the question. Okay, and the question is, why is it so easy and fun to make money? To flow to me in new, joyful ways. And you know what? Writing is magic. If you start doing it and do it consistently for 30 days without seeing क्या हो रहा है बाहर, जो आप लिख रहे हो ना वो आपका सोना बन रहा है. This is going to convert into money automatically. Right? So Kavita, I want you to write now. Write. चाहे मुश्किल लग रहा है ना, जैसा भी लग रहा है, universe is watching your effort. ठीक है? Later on, I'll create a list and send it in the group also. So the question is, पहले मुझे बताओ, what question do you repeat in your mind when the money is not coming? You can unmute. Why is money not coming to me? Why is it so hard to make money? Yeah? I don't want to work hard. Why is it so easy? Okay. So that now change the, ठीक है? Now change the question. In your notebook, I want you all to write it once and write it every single day before sleeping. The moment you change your frequency to the right questions, now in 30 days, you will be writing big, big success stories. But only commitment is, अगर आप रोज रात को लिखते हो ये, how many of you commit कि I am going to write these questions every single night, no matter how is my mood? ठीक है? 30 days promise. 30 days means 30 days. And you will see कि how the magically clients आ रहे हैं, inquiries आ रहे हैं, काम चल रहा है. Yes? Okay? चलो. Now in the area of money and clients, I'll be telling you more questions. सो अब आपके दिमाग में 24 घंटे चलना चाहिए, लॉफ्टी क्वेश्चंस इज द सॉल्यूशन, बैगर क्वेश्चंस इज द कीपिंग मी स्टक, खत्म। नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स आई एम माया, एंड माया का जो टॉप सीक्रेट क्या है, शी नोज व्हाट क्वेश्चंस टू टॉक टू द क्रिएटर। Why is it so natural for clients to say yes to my offers? And if you have any question in your mind, na, type in the chat box, I'll pivot for you, okay? Why is it so natural for clients to say yes to my offers? Thank you for so many promises. Today, I want you all to give you this Diwali gift कि I will change my communication. I promise. I have changed my self-talk. अपने आप से तो मैंने affirmations कर ली हैं. Now I will change my communication with the God. I'll make him proud that I have learned not to beg from you, not to pray from you, but to command you. Right? I am ready. Why is it? Okay. Will you share these questions? Yes. Why is it so natural? Yes. Why is it so natural for clients to say yes to my offers? Yes, I will change my communication with God, go beyond beggar frequency. Amazing, Amanpreet. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay, next question. Why is my income rising even when I am at peace? आपको पता है मैं रात को कम से कम 1 घंटा, जब तक मेरी आंख बंद नहीं हो जाती ना, I keep on talking these questions. God, why is everybody loving me so much? Why is my skin and hair becoming like goddess, diva, right? Why is my husband and my in-laws praising me so much? Why am I earning every month so much money that I always have more inflow than it goes out? God, how magically you are bringing me ideas that can manifest me money. मैं ये बोलते बोलते सोती हूँ, मैंने कहीं नहीं लिखे थे. And then I saw the changes. And from that moment, I started journaling. How come I attracting clients who are already looking out for me? Okay. Why is my income rising even when I am at peace? I'm not hustling. Even when I'm sleeping, why is my money growing? Okay, जो लोग सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू जिनके क्लाइंट्स आते हैं उनके लिए what would it take for my content to magnetize aligned buyers today? Your simple कर दो. How magically is my content attracting paid clients, that too effortlessly? So आज से there is no, oh, please universe, please give me clients. Why is this happening to me? Why is my relationship not healing? When will my manifestation come true? No more. आज के बाद ये नहीं बोलना है. ठीक है? Come out of this frequency. आज के बाद big questions, visionary questions, missionary questions, okay? Because universe never responds to desperation and neediness and lack. Universe only loves the courageous, bold souls who dare to ask big. Okay? Why do divine opportunities keep showing up for my mission? Why do divine opportunities keep showing up for my mission? Have a mission in your life, okay? Only then money will flow. कुछ लोगों को लगता है ना कि आई वॉन्ट मनी सो दैट आई कैन फील सेफ सिक्योर्ड, आई हैव अ स्टेबल इनकम सो दैट आई कैन पे फॉर माय चिल्ड्रंस फीस, ओके, सो दैट आई कैन टेक केयर ऑफ माय एक्सपेंसेस. दिस इज ऑल्सो द रीजन दैट मनी डजंट कम टू यू, बिकॉज मनी सर्व्स पर्पस, and purpose is always not small like family. Purpose is always I want to help people like me. Start vibrating at this, you will start attracting money. Resource फिर आता है because money serves purpose. Money उनके पास आती है जिनके पास कोई purpose है serve करने के लिए, and purpose is always beyond family. अगर आपके selfish goals है ना, so that मेरी family का हो जाए, ये हो जाए, वो हो जाए, that's the reason you keep on struggling. ऐसा नहीं है कि पैसा नहीं आएगा, फिर भी आएगा, बट एक होता है ना effortless money जो आता ही जा रहा है, आता ही जा रहा है. If you start vibrating at mission and vision, और जरूरी नहीं है मिशन और विजन बड़े बड़े हों, सिंपल आई वांट टू हेल्प पीपल लाइक मी, सिंपल। हमारे नेबरहुड में भी तो होते हैं ना ऐसे लोग। जरूरी नहीं सबको ग्लोबल लेवल पे जाना है, स्टेजेस पे जाना है, पॉडकास्ट पे जाना है, इवेंट्स में जाना है, नो। लोगों को लगता है विजन और मिशन बहुत बड़े टर्म्स है, कभी भी वो पर्पस पे वाइब्रेट नहीं करते हैं। योर पर्पस इज ओनली टू हेल्प वुमेन लाइक यू। जो आपके चैलेंजेस थे, यू वर्कड ऑन इट थ्रू कॉर्ड कटिंग, इनर चाइल्ड हीलिंग, होपोनोपोनो, ईएफटी, 4 टूल बहुत है। Any women around me who is suffering in narcissist relationship, who is not able to earn good, who is unhappy with her children, I can help them. This is my mission. Simply, अगर आप कुछ लोगों की हेल्प करने के बारे में बात करोगे ना, गॉड हाउ एम आई अट्रैक्टिंग पीपल हु नीड माई हेल्प, देन सी यू विल अट्रैक्ट क्लाइंट। बट व्हाट डू वी आस्क? गॉड help me make 1 lakh. Why am I not able to make 1 lakh? These are the wrong questions. God, why am I not attracting people who need my help? You will attract a client. Because now it is purpose. It is bigger than you. So हमेशा याद रखना, money loves to serve those who serve purpose. And who learn to detach from their pains. Because when you help people to come out of their pains, your pains will be taken care of. Many people think पहले मैं अपनी पेन सॉल्व कर लूं, फिर लोगों को जाके बताऊंगा, because I have solved it. No. I have the potential to solve problem. That's why I deserve to be paid. And when I help one person to solve the same problem I am going through, I will be helped by God, because God helps those who help themselves. Okay? Next question. How does my work create ripple effects of healing effortlessly? अब जिनको लगता है, why is healing not working out for me? Change the question. How does my work, how does my inner work create ripple effects of healing effortlessly? How am I becoming a magician in all areas of my life? How is my work being loved by everyone around me? Those who feel my family doesn't support me. What magic has happened that everybody around me is supporting me? सोते वक्त रात को 10 बार ये क्वेश्चन मन में बोलना, why is my entire family supporting me, God? And see the next day their behavior. But हम किस सोच के साथ सोते हैं? God, I'm doing so much of the things, so much of healing work, still they are not appreciating me. Wrong question. The right question is, when I am doing so much of healing, why is it creating so much ripple effect that everybody around me is supporting me? Why are people getting inspired to learn healing from me? Why are they wanting to pay me? Why are they wanting to throw money at me for my work? And I just literally visualize they are throwing the notes at me, gold at me, gifts at me. This is how I visualize. I'm telling you, thoughts plus emotions plus visualization. All these 3 things work together. For next 3 months, forget about who you are, what you are performing, how you are doing in your life. Just start asking lofty questions. 3 महीने दे दो खुद के. If you are suffering from any disease, God, why is every cell of my body healing without any medicine? What magic is happening around me? Please tell me. What good I've done in my life that everything is getting sorted by you yourself? Why have you become my caretaker? Universe, please tell me, why have you become my caretaker? What special have I done? Why am I becoming so gifted? Why अचानक से सब मुझे प्यार क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why? मुझे आंसर चाहिए. मेरी जिंदगी में इतना पैसा कहां से आ रहा है? Why? Tell me, God. I need this answer when I sleep. So अमनप्रीत उनको बोलो लिखने के लिए. Why am I attracting the best groom for my daughter? क्या पुण्य किया है मैंने? शो मी यूनिवर्स व्हाट गुड हैव आई डन। हम सारा दिन ये पूछते रहते मैंने क्या पाप किए हैं, तो यूनिवर्स कहता ले लो। पूछो भगवान मैंने क्या पुण्य किए हैं, मेरी जिंदगी यू नो व्हेन आई एम अलोन ना, मेरा यही काम होता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन आई एम ड्राइविंग, व्हेन आई एम गोइंग समवेयर, और कार में तो कोई सुनने वाला नहीं होता ना, शीशे वो नॉइस कैंसलेशन वाले होते हैं गाड़ी के। तो आई यूज टू शाउट लाउड म्यूजिक लगा के ना, आई गिरी नंदिनी इज माई फेवरेट सॉन्ग, and I play it, I Giri Nandini, and then why is everybody loving me? Why is my money increasing? Why are people coming to me for finding their solutions? Why is my health improving? How am I losing weight? How is my waist cinching? मुझे सुन के तो अच्छा लगता है, काश आप अपने को सुनाना शुरू करें। जो सोल्यूशन देखो, आज अभी यहाँ पर हाई वाइब लगेगा, आपको लगेगा मजा आ गया। Now what you do for the next 30 days. Trust me, guys, these tools, when I implemented, have changed my life. So many people go to so many coaches, mentors, इतना पे करते हैं, इतना कुछ करते हैं, लेकिन रिजल्ट क्यों नहीं क्रिएट करते? क्योंकि रेस्ट ऑफ द डेज दे डोंट नो द टॉक. For the 23 hours when you are with you, other than healing sessions, manifestations, how are you communicating with the universe? God, why is my mom becoming so loving? Why are all my ancestors healing? How are we able to cut the cords with all the toxic patterns? I need answers. And when you keep repeating this now, this will become so much of your energy ना. Universe will say, मैं हटता हूं, तू कर मेरा काम जाके. Are you understanding? You will purify with each question. Questions are very powerful. Questions give you authority. You know, जब मैंने ये healing journey start करी थी, my in-laws were so toxic. इतना रिलेशन खराब हो चुका हुआ था. Right? But I started asking, why are my in-laws loving me so much? जहां जाते हैं मेरे बारे में मेरी 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 तारीफें ही करते रहते हैं. Why is everybody praising me? Why has Minnie become so lovable? This changed my life. I'm telling you. और सिर्फ लोगों को इसी चीज को सिखाने से आप लखपति बन जाते हो। क्या आप नहीं सिखा सकते लोगों को सही क्वेश्चंस पूछना, सेल्फ टॉक चेंज करना? लोगों को लगता है कि पैसा बनाना सिखा के हम पैसा बना सकते हैं। ये मिथ है। आपको कुछ भी आता है ना, आप 10 लोगों को सिखाना शुरू करो। मनी लव्स टू कम टू पीपल हु सर्व, हु लव टू सर्व। सर्विंग जरूर नहीं, हाथ से जाके वो जो मंदिरों गुरुद्वारों में खाना बना रहे हैं। सर्विस इज व्हेन यू आर गिविंग योर टाइम टू समबडी, वांटिंग देम टू हील, वांटिंग देम टू ट्रांसफॉर्म. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट सर्विस. And if you love serving, na, money has to follow. But if when we do all this work to make money, na, money won't come. बस यही दिक्कत है बिजनेस ओनर्स की, हीलर्स की, कोचेस की। एक ही दिक्कत है, दे वांट टू मेक मनी एंड दे कीप ऑन फोकसिंग ऑन मनी विदाउट आस्किंग गॉड, व्हाई आर यू गिविंग मी पीपल हु वर रेडी टू सर्व, हु वर रेडी टू बी हील्ड? व्हाई आर यू सेंडिंग मी पीपल हु आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम रिलेशनशिप्स, मे बी हु आर नार्सिसिस्ट्स? ठीक है, गॉड, व्हाई आर यू सेंडिंग मी 10 clients every single month who need my healing? This will bring you 10 people. Okay? Next question. Why am I so comfortable being seen and celebrated for my gifts? अब जिनको लगता है ना कि यार मैं करना चाहता हूँ बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू मेक रील्स, मुझसे नहीं आया जाता, आई कांट कम ऑन कैमरा, आई कांट रिकॉर्ड रील्स, आई कांट शो पीपल आई एम गोइंग थ्रू दिस थिंग. स्टार्ट आस्किंग द राइट क्वेश्चन. आपका प्रॉब्लम पता क्या है? The question is, what if people judge me? What if people make fun of me? Now my relatives will say, अब सब निकला है ना बाहर, अब तक छुपा के बैठी हुई थी. And this deep thought of judgment, shame, will never let you record a reel and tell people, I can provide you solution. So the solution is right question. Now the right question is, अगर आपको hesitation होती है, एक चीज है, पैसा कमाना है ना तो दिखना पड़ेगा, सोशल मीडिया पे दिखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, इजिएस्ट वे टू मेक मनी. क्योंकि वहां पर आपको एक ही टाइम में हजारों लोग देखते हैं. लाइक करें ना करें, ताली बजाएं ना बजाएं, देख रहे हैं. पता है कि आप रोज आते हो, आप चेंज हो रहे हो. एवरी डे योर कॉन्फिडेंस स्टार्ट्स चेंजिंग. अगर आप 4 दिन दिखते हो फिर गायब हो जाते हो हफ्ता, 4 दिन सेशन लगाया, जो शाही 4 स्टोरियां डाल दी, पोस्ट डाल दी, फिर गायब हो गए, लोगों को ये भी दिखता है। लोग बहुत चालाक है, लोगों को सब दिखता है। सो प्रॉमिस योर सेल्फ, इन लोगों ने जो कि मुझे जज करेंगे, जो मुझ पे हंसेंगे, वैसे भी इन्होंने मुझे आज तक कुछ दिया नहीं है। दे हैव नेवर हेल्प्ड मी मेक अ पेनी, सिंगल पेनी। दे हैव नेवर हेल्प्ड मी व्हेन आई वाज इन ट्रबल। So why would their opinions matter me? Let them make fun of me. Because when 10 people will make fun of me, I will be making money. When 100 people will be judging me, ये क्या कर रही है? I will be making money. One person watching that video will be paying me 1.5 lakh when 100 of my relatives will be laughing at me. Their laughter will bring me money. So at the back of the mind, say, every person who is judging me, every person who is sending me negative thoughts, I am turning all that into money. भगवान जो भी मेरे को कोस रहे हैं ना, मेरे को बुरी नजर भेज रहे हैं, इवल आई भेज रहे हैं, आई एम टर्निंग इट टू मनी, बिकॉज इट्स अप टू मी ना, व्हाट एम आई डूइंग विद द एनर्जी। एक पर्सन जो आपकी रील के नीचे नेगेटिव कमेंट लिखता है, लिखो फॉर एवरी नेगेटिव कमेंट आई अर्न 1 लाख। व्हाई एम आई अर्निंग 1 लाख व्हेन समबडी इज डिसलाइकिंग माई पोस्ट? फॉर एवरी पर्सन अनफॉलोइंग मी, आई एम अट्रैक्टिंग मनी। ठीक है? Because we have thousands of proofs where people are having 500, 600 followers, but they are making 1 lakh easily every month. Making sense? Do you now understand what is still lacking? Every day we are doing something, learning something. Yeah? Every day we are putting in so much efforts. Can't we change our way of talk with the universe? आज के बाद रोज रोज बोर्ड से पूछो, why am I becoming your favorite child? सोशल मीडिया हेजिटेशन अभी बोला ना, क्वेश्चन था, why am I becoming so comfortable? कविता, how am I becoming so comfortable being seen and celebrated for my gifts? हमें लगता है मेरा टैलेंट मेरे गिफ्ट्स हैं। नो, कि गिफ्ट्स पता क्या है? जब जब लोगों ने आपको ह्यूमिलेट किया, जब जब लोगों ने आपको रिजेक्ट किया, जितनी आपके अंदर शेम भरी हुई है, जितना आपके अंदर एंगर भरा हुआ है, जितनी आपके अंदर फ्रस्ट्रेशन, इरिटेशन भरी हुई है, दीज आर योर गिफ्ट्स। एंड व्हेन यू आर शेयरिंग इट ऑन सोशल मीडिया, somebody is paying you. आपको कोई पैसा तब देता है जब वो अपने आप को आप में देखते हैं, ये मेरे जैसा है, स्टिल बेटर कर रहा है, आई कैन लर्न फ्रॉम देम। Why am I so comfortable being seen and celebrated for my gifts? Thank you, Shweta. You did amazing job today. And you are getting its amazing, amazing effect. You will see. ये जो तुम कर रही हो ना, इसका भी तुम्हें कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट मिलने वाला है। बिकॉज मैंने ये किया हुआ है। अपने सब मेंटर्स के सेशंस में मैंने ये बहुत किया हुआ है। दैट इज द रीजन आउट ऑफ एवरी मेंटोरिंग सेशन आई ऑलवेज स्टूड आउट, एंड आई न्यू पीपल यूज टू गॉसिप अबाउट मी, आज भी करते हैं, बट आई डैम केयर, क्योंकि मुझे मजा आता है हेल्प करने में। एक बहुत बड़ा मिथ है, लोगों को लगता है, मुझसे कोई अभी क्वेश्चन पूछेगा ना, जानबूझ के अनसेन रखेंगे काफी देर, सो दैट दे हैव द इल्यूजन दैट आई एम बिजी। वर्स्ट थिंग, फुकरे लोग करते हैं। जो रियल हेल्पर होता है ना, जो रियल वर्दी पर्सन होता है, उसको वैल्यू है टाइम की। उसको पता है मैंने क्वेश्चन देख लिया है ना, जब तक मैं आंसर ना करूंगा, ये मेरे में घूमता रहेगा, व्हाई एम आई वेस्टिंग माई एनर्जी? लेट मी आंसर दिस पर्सन, he or she will be happy, will bless me, I'll become more wealthy. It's all about how you give your energy to the things. Question of marriage with dream partner. Okay. Why I am magically attracting my dream partner? How am I? Oh dear God, how magically I attracted my dream partner, who is sharing my joys, my dreams, my goals. Yes, despite of saying, why am I not able to manifest my partner? Start saying, आप 21 days ये क्वेश्चन लिख के देख लो। इफ द थिंग्स, आपको डेट्स के ऑफर्स ना आने लगे तो, why am I getting so many proposals from जो आप जैसा चाहिए पार्टनर? Okay, from the magical masculines. Why am I seeing my mother? Why am I seeing my mother and sister are so, yeah, amazing? Why am I seeing my mother and sister having such amazing times full of giggles and laughters? 20-30 टाइम्स होने से पहले ये क्वेश्चन माइंड में रिपीट करो, एक बार कॉपी में लिख लो, अपनी नोटबुक खोलो, राइट, नोटबुक में जो भी आपके मेन क्वेश्चंस है, राइट देम, ओके, एंड देन पुट इट अंडर योर पिलो, तभी आपके सबकॉन्शियस में उसकी वाइब्रेशन जाती रहती है, ओके, बट राइट, आस्क द राइट क्वेश्चन, डोंट challenge God कि you are not justified. Yes, you are not fair. Tell universe, why are you giving me all the support? Okay? What good have done? मैं दिन में करोड़ों बार बोलती हूँ, God, what good have I done? Please tell me, let me know. Why are you so magically sending me the right people? Why are you so magically sending me the right programs? How are you making the money available to me that I want to invest in my spiritual, personal growth? जब भी मुझे कुछ करना होता है, I never ask एक और प्रोग्राम, एक और मनी. I always say, God, why are you so magically supporting my evolution? कितना पैसा दोगे मुझे? थकते नहीं हो तुम? Whole life can change. Yes, yes, उस्मा. बार बार आपको याद दिलवाना पड़ेगा, राइट क्वेश्चन, अभी फ्रेम राइट क्वेश्चन, ठीक है? Come back to this session once again, watch it. Write down as many lofty questions as you can. Okay? स्पिरिचुअलिटी के लिए भी होते हैं, नेक्स्ट कभी करवाएंगे, आज के लिए यही करवाते हैं, ठीक है? Few more questions I've written for you, then I will take you through a small process so that you can integrate these questions, okay? कि मेडिटेशन में कैसे पूछना है. Okay, so money and client attraction के लिए हो गया. Instead of please universe send me clients, ask why is it so easy for my dream clients to find me and feel safe to invest in my energy? How magically new opportunities are coming up. अब देख लो आप कितने ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चंस फ्रेम कर रहे हो. Make it a habit to frame right questions. Okay, if your some loved one is suffering, don't say, God, why are they suffering? How can I help them? No. God, how are you helping them in solving their own problems? How are they magically healing themselves? How are they sorting out their problems? How are they spiritually evolving and growing? How are they magically learning to face their karmas with grace and coming out of the problems as a winner, as a victor? How is everybody becoming victor? God, why am I not seeing the victims now? Why is this entire world turning into a space of peace? Ask the right questions, create a better world. ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो बहुत मैजिकल वर्ल्ड में रह रहे हैं. The thing is they are vibrating at the good frequency. And we 1-2 hours बहुत हम प्रोग्राम्स में जाते हैं, बहुत हीलिंग्स करके आते हैं, मेडिटेशंस करके आते हैं, गुरु माँ से पिता माँ से मिलके आते हैं, बट घर आने पर दे शिकायतें. उसने मिसट्रीट क्यों किया, इसने क्यों किया, उसने हर्ट क्यों कर दिया. Everything is karma. Why are they hurting me so much to make me evolve spiritually, financially? Every time someone hurts me, I evolve spiritually and financially. Tell yourself how you are increasingly my capacity and spacing. Yes, within me. Yes. God, how am I feeling so safe with crores of rupees? अब आपको 2 लाख पर मंथ कमाना है, बट आप 50 भी नहीं कमा रहे हो, तो क्या होगा? अंदर से अनसेफ है, बॉडी रेजिस्ट करेगी, मुझे नहीं कमाना, बहुत मेहनत है, बड़ी रील्स बनानी पड़ेंगी, बड़ा कुछ बेचना पड़ेगा, राइट? दिस इज बाय डिफॉल्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी. तो आप बढ़ोगे नहीं. नाउ इफ यू स्टार्ट आस्किंग, गॉड, व्हाई एम आई फीलिंग सो सेफ विद मेकिंग 2 लाख एवरी सिंगल मंथ? How are you sending me people who are paying me 2 lakh effortlessly? When you start asking these questions, when you write them down, and जब आप चाय पियो, कॉफी पियो, पानी पियो, बोलो. यूज नहीं करते, एग्जीक्यूशन अमल करने वक्त 0 हो जाते हैं. लर्निंग बहुत करते हैं, हम लोगों को ना बहुत शौक है लर्न करने का. सिखाने चलो, दुनिया आ जाएगी. इम्प्लीमेंट करने वक्त ओनली 3% पीपल. That is why the law of average by the universe say only 3 people in the world change. बाकी फिर घूमते रहते हैं, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम लोगों को हमेशा यही लगता है कोई आएगा और मुझे चेंज करेगा. Despite of what I have learned, let me implement. So write down, keep manifesting. God, एक और power word बताती हूँ. Why am I becoming a massive action taker? Dear universe, why am I becoming a massive action taker? Why am I having all the solutions? How is my soul knowing everything and guiding me so beautifully? How am I so magically able to wake up every single day at 5 a.m. and spend 1 hour in my healing? Right? If you utilize the first hour of the day and the last half an hour of the day this way, na, everything in the with within the day will get sorted. Yes, are you loving these questions? Are you promising me that you are now going to twist your self-talk to the talking right questions from the universe? How many of you are loving the session? Yes? Amazing. Okay, so the next question. Okay, so write down. Why does money love circulating through my business so effortlessly? Why does money love circulating through my business so effortlessly? अभी आप लिखो, later I'll provide you with the list. Don't worry. लेकिन अभी लिखने का सीक्रेट है. God, how come I developing amazing visualization power that is making me so clairvoyant? Got it, Pia? How is my visualization power becoming so pro? Whatever I visualize, I manifest. Now I hope you will say good. Okay. Whatever good I visualize, I manifest. Why does every post I create reach the exact souls who are meant to work with me? So never chase likes, comments, shares, engagements. जो real buyers होते हैं ना, they don't want to clap for you. They don't want to celebrate you. They don't want to give you likes, comments. They want to pay you. They want to pay you. बट हमारी सारी एनर्जी किस में चली जाती है? Why are they not liking me? Why are they not making me viral? ठीक है? So the right question is, why does every post I create reach the exact souls who are already looking out for me, who are meant to work with me, who trust in my presence, and who are paying me repeatedly? Why are they trusting me so much? Why does every post I create reach the exact souls who are meant to work with me? Next question. Most of the coaches and healers keep suffering. Why don't they trust me? Why they turn toxic? Why they keep, blaming me for not getting the results? बहुत सारे coaches ना इसीलिए give up करते हैं because they work so hard. But on the other side, clients cannot put in that much of work and then they start asking for the refund. They start saying, मुझे results नहीं मिल रहे. मैंने तो पैसा नहीं बनाया. Okay? उनका कसूर नहीं है, तुम्हारा भी नहीं है. Right? The thing is energy. So now if you ask the question, why do I always attract people who value my worth and pay joyfully? This will delete those people. Why do I always attract clients or people who value my worth, who pay me joyfully? अमन, कल आप कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे थे, आज आपको आंसर मिला?
मिनी मैं भूल गई. I'm sorry.
So you asked me why you trusted me. So because my question from God is always, God, why you send me the people who trust me and who already pay me joyfully?
Yeah, okay, got it. I did the same thing to someone. That is why I was asking.
Good, good, good. क्योंकि हमें बहुत सिखाया गया है ना मनी के साथ अटैचमेंट, एंड सम पीपल जज मी कि आप सिखाते तो हो मनी के साथ अटैचमेंट, लेकिन आप भी तो मनी ही मांगते हो ना. You keep on asking money for your programs and courses. They don't understand what frequency we are vibrating at. Yes, we want money. Yes, we want to create so much of money. But the frequency is not attachment to money. The frequency is help me create so much of money so that I can later on invest so much on me so that I can bring in new wisdom to you. Because only when I have so much of money at my back to take care of me, I am so free to create more of the content that can serve my people. लोगों को ये तो दिखता है पैसा बना रहे हैं, ये नहीं दिखता वो उस पैसे से क्या बना रहे हैं. So at this moment, it's not our job to judge them, because the moment you judge a bad person, you create a bad karma. If someone is doing very bad to you and you also think bad about them, you are no good than them. So if somebody is hurting you despite of you being nice, your job is heal and ask the right question. उल्टा बोलो. Right? God, why am I attracting so many people who are helping me to evolve spiritually, emotionally, financially? Every time someone hurt you, you are getting an opportunity to sit in silence, be with your feelings, heal upon it, and then turn it into money. Okay? So आज के बाद हर ट्रिगर को, हर हर्ट को, हर रिजेक्शन को, हर ब्लॉक को अपॉर्चुनिटी लो और क्वेश्चन चेंज करो, एंड यू विल मैनिफेस्ट बेटर थिंग्स. I hope many of you got your answers today. Hurt wala swapna, if you are attracting so many people who are hurting you despite of you being nice. So you have to say, God, why, how come I attracting so many people who are hurting me to help me evolve spiritually, financially, emotionally? What if someone curse you? So, Mehak, that prayer, every psychic attack, every negative energy, every anger drawn towards me to destroy me is now transmuting into love, white light, and I release it from my auric field completely. And one affirmation I've given you. Keep repeating. अगर आपको लगता है ना मेरे ऊपर कोई evil eye दे रहा है, I am impervious to evil eyes. My love can transform any evil into light. बट इफ यू फियर, इफ यू 10 लोगों को जाके बोलोगे यार मेरे ऊपर ना कोई ब्लैक मैजिक कर रहा है, तो योर फियर विल बी अट्रैक्टिंग मोर ब्लैक मैजिक. द मोमेंट यू बिकम अ विक्टिम, द पीपल हु आर डूइंग द ब्लैक मैजिक विंस. बट इफ यू सिट एंड स्ट्रांगली स्टार्ट चांटिंग हनुमान चालीसा, गॉड उन्होंने जो करना था कर दिया कांड, मेरे पास पावर है अपनी पावर वापस लेने का. नाउ आई डिक्री ऑल द साइकिक अटैक ड्रॉन टुवर्ड्स मी in this present moment from any person, time, dimension, realm, geographical location, I transmute it into white light. I dump it into the womb of Mother Earth and ask you to turn it into light, into love, into magic, into healing, into money. I am always impervious to evil eyes. बुरी नजर मुझे छू भी नहीं सकती है तुम्हारे होते हुए. So always surrender to Maya, that higher version. ठीक है. एंड देन हर एक चीज के लिए ना अगर बहुत ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट हुआ हो तो देन देयर आर पर्टिकुलर गॉडेसेस हु यू गो एंड प्रे टू. अगेन देयर आर द इन्वोकेशंस. ठीक है. व्हाई इज माय सन अट्रैक्टिंग सेटबैक्स रिपीटेडली? सो यहाँ की बजाय लक्ष्मी, योर क्वेश्चन शुड बी, गॉड व्हाई इज माय सन अट्रैक्टिंग द सिचुएशंस टू इवॉल्व स्पिरिचुअली एंड फाइनेंशियली? ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन माय सन वाज so much focused in video games and doing all of the things. Previously, I was a worried mother and I used to say सारा दिन video games खेलता रहता, क्या बनेगा, करियर बर्बाद हो जाएगा, eyes खराब हो जाएंगी, right? But then I changed my question. God, why is my son attracting situations to help him evolve spiritually? Because challenges आपको एक better person बनाने के लिए आते हैं ना. Now you are taking that challenge with grace. कि God, yes, my son is suffering. He is losing focus in studies. He is wasting his time in gaming. But I know this situation is here to help him evolve spiritually because he will learn how to deal with addictions. When you ask the right questions, your son will attract healings. So that's how my son also started asking, Mama, this is the problem. I want EFT. Can you please give me Ho'oponopono EFT? Now, मेरे से ज्यादा उसके जर्नल्स भर चुके हैं 369 affirmation से EFT से. Okay, because I kept changing the questions. I never said, God, why I'm doing so much? Why is my son not healing? My own son is suffering. Why is it? No. Because I was so sure that मेरी अब जिंदगी जान सब healing के लिए. So my only communication is a better question. मैं नींद में भी खुद के साथ एक गलत क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछती हूँ. अगर मैं थक भी जाऊं ना, I always say, God, why I don't get tired? मैं थकती क्यों नहीं हूँ? When will I stop, God? When will I stop? No, I don't say. So what instead I say, God, why do you give me so much of energy to keep me going? When others feel tired, why am I vibrating with so much of energy, vitality? अगर आप खुद को ही बोले जाओगे, God, I'm tired. Why am I feeling so tired? Why am I feeling so lazy today? What will happen? You'll feel more lazy. So here I pick my copy or I start speaking out aloud. What do I say? मेरा नेट है कि आप सब पॉज क्यों हो गए हो? प्लीज हो गए हो? Is everyone there? Are you able to hear me?